A major NBC celebrity tossed out of the American Idol tryouts at Aloha Stadium. The story is next on News 8.
You're watching News 8 at 10.
American television viewers have come to love animals that have appeared on the small screen over the years.
But in more recent years, the new animal star has burst onto the scene. And tonight he's here in Honolulu.
Dad!
But before Triumph, the insult comic dog, could spread his aloha spirit too far, he was cut off.
I was escorted out after they told us that they, didn't want us around. Apparently, I didn't meet the high standards of the Fox network that have been set by the likes of Darva Conger and Geraldo.
Triumph says he was only trying to help out the wannabe singers by telling the truth.
I was here to exercise my constitutional right to humiliate losers and crush their dreams.
You suck!
This is America. Hawaii is part of America. And these principles of human dignity, they were forcibly imposed on these islands years ago.
Live from News 8, your neighborhood weather report.
Meteorologist Sherry Sheila has the night off.
But the weather report rolls on, and we have a special guest in the Weather Center tonight.
How you doing? Yeah, look, I got a lot of free time now that I was kicked out. Thanks for the throw there, Howard. By the way, you're terrific, you know? With that talent and that haircut, you're really on a rocket to Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Okay, let's see what our satellite is telling us today. Oh, little clouds are coming into the sky. Oh, poor Hawaii. You might have a cloud or two. Screw you, Hawaii. Okay, tonight, what is this? Evening clouds, and yes, mostly dry and pleasant. Okay. Dry and pleasant, that's an inherent contradiction, isn't it? For me it is. You guys know what I'm talking about. Oh, yes. And then what have we got? Oh, no! Light winds! Light winds! What will Hawaii do? Close the schools! I'm just going to say what everyone else in America is thinking. Hawaii, you're a pussy! Don't worry about the light winds. Hurricane Isabel couldn't mess up your hair. Okay, here's the 5-day forecast. Oh, look what we've got. Warm, that's interesting news. Humid, that's good for your hair, anchor guy. You can save on Aquanet that day. And then we got what here? We got the cloudy. Oh no, cloudy. Oh no, here's another cloud. It's Armageddon for Hawaii. Colin Powell. Oh, what are we going to do? I can't look. And damn it, Hawaii is about to suffer. Clouds everywhere. This entire state is threatened with 3 full days of shade. Back to you.
Thank you very much.